This is my natural hair. She's cute, but a lot to manage, okay? Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. If you don't know who I am, my name is Reesie. This is my beauty channel where we come to slay, especially on a budget. And if you're new, don't forget to hit that red button down below and turn on your post notifications. So as you can tell by the title, we are going to semi-relax our hair. I got this from my local beauty supply. I also have the link down below, but this will be my first time trying this. I am 100% natural. I haven't permed since I was 18 years old, so that was years ago. So this is supposed to be a more safer version, or just a version where you get that nice silk straight look without it fluffing back up. I always had a problem when after I straighten my hair, it poofs back up literally 5 minutes later. So I want something that is going to last me. This is supposed to last up to 6 weeks. So yeah, if you guys are interested in how I do this and the results, then definitely keep on watching. Okay, so first things first, we're going to remove this wig. Yes, girl, it's a wig. It's not my hair, okay? I did have someone comment asking how I remove my wig, so I did want to combine both videos on how I remove my wigs, how I take care of my hair, all that. So I do take my C22 solvent. I did get this off of Amazon. I feel like Amazon's the only store that gives the bigger versions. At the beauty supply, they give you just very small little versions of the C22 solvent, but I wear wigs like all the time, so I did need a bigger bottle. So this is how I just do this. I literally installed this wig yesterday, and I just felt inspired to, I felt inspired to wear my natural hair. There's so much happening in my life, and places I'm about to go is about to be like 100 degrees, so I'm not too sure if I want to wear wigs. But yeah, girl, so basically I just spray my hairline as you saw and just massage that in. So it might take a while because this is like fresh glue. So we're gonna see how she's gonna get off. I only did one layer of glue, so it shouldn't take too long. See, it's lifting up. So I just put my finger through, and so my wig just slid off. Now I just need to rub it a little bit more. And there you have it, girl. I'm gonna take an alcohol wipe and just clean up the extra residue. Like, take your smallest comb and just try to comb the glue off. This is basically what I do if I'm switching different wigs and I don't feel like washing my hair. And yeah, but I barely put glue on my hairline this time, so it's not much that I have to comb out this time. But see how when I comb, it just comes off. Usually a lot of glue gets stuck on near the ear area. So now we're going to undo our hair, so I'll be right back. I did want to show you guys what's inside the box. So I received step A and B. So this is basically after we do this process. We do cleanse the scalp 3 times for step 1, and then step 2 we just put this as a leave-in conditioner, and that's basically it. All right, you guys, so my hair has already been detangled because I washed it literally a few days ago, and this is how my natural hair looks, straight out those braids. This is like blow dried out. So yeah, girl, she got cropped. So I was reading the directions over and over. So we're supposed to use step 1 and wash my hair 3 times to get any residue all off of my hair. So we're going to do that, and after that, then we're going to apply our leave-in conditioner, wait 20 minutes, and then blow dry. So it's actually easier than adding a relaxer, so I'm super excited to try this out. Kind of nervous, but excited. Alrighty, you guys, so my neck literally was cramping up trying to wash my hair 3 times. I have too much hair to be washing my hair 3 times. But Now I'm going to reveal my natural hair. This is my natural hair. She's cute, but a lot to manage, okay? I'm gonna part my hair first. Hopefully, cause it says, I don't know if I still have soap in this hair, child. Cause the way my hair just like loves to keep soap in. So I'm just gonna separate my hair into 4 sections. So now we're going to take step 2. I'm gonna put on some gloves just in case, cause yeah, they say to wear gloves for step 2. They say not to oversaturate the hair. So it smells good. Ooh. It smells good, so I just put some in my hand and just going to finger comb through the hair first, and then and be like, it smelled good, but then the moment I started putting it on my hair, it smelled like, I don't know. Like it's like something smells bad, but then they're masking it with like the whatchamacallit. The actual, I don't even know if this is perm, girl. I'm gonna just name it texturizer. I'm gonna just call it a texturizer. But yeah, girl. Okay. Ooh-wee. So this is my hair Tex-Waxed. I'm just gonna put like a little cap over it to put it over, and then I'm gonna time it for 20 minutes. It doesn't burn, but it does itch, and I want to itch it real bad, but I know it's gonna be worse if I do itch it. I'm trying to figure out, does it go away, because we can't wash it out, so it's gonna be a little confusing for that. But this is how the hair is. The perimeter of my hairline is like itching, and I think it's because of the wig that I applied a wig. So definitely wait a day, the next day after taking off your wig if you don't want any irritation. And then I'll be right back. I'm gonna blow dry, straighten, and see if there's gonna be a big difference or if it's just gonna be the same. I'm nervous, but we gonna see, girl. After 20 minutes, I then went ahead and blow dried and make sure the leave-in conditioner is still in the hair. A trick that I do is blow dry it on a coolest setting, and then once it's dry completely, I then use the hottest setting to blow dry as straight as possible. This will help not do too much heat damage. All right, you guys, so I just finished blow drying my hair, and I do see a little difference when blow drying my hair because it is a little bit more straighter than usual blow drying my hair, so that's actually a good thing. It does still look a little poofy though, so I don't know how it's gonna really, I don't know, girl, but dang, my hair grew a lot. We are going to hot comb my hair, and then we're going to straighten my hair. So now I'm taking my hot comb, it's at 500 degrees, and we are going to, trying to make some room. So we are going to hot comb my edges first and then straighten after hot combing my whole head. So we're just gonna do that. Oh no, it is getting straight. Sorry, y'all. I wanted to do a talk while I was doing this, but Basketball Wives came on and I wanted to catch up, so I just decided to watch it while I was straightening my hair. But as you can see, I am just doing the chase method with using my high ceramic straightener that goes up to 410 degrees and then using a rat tail comb to chase it. So basically I just do that all throughout my head, and I do small pieces each step just so I can distribute the heat evenly. And then this whole process took me about 4 hours, which is not that bad because that's equivalent as washing your natural hair and braiding it up. So yeah, overall, I just love how this hair is taming so far. And after I finish straightening my unit, or I'm so used to wearing wigs that I think my natural hair is a unit. But this is my natural hair. I'm taking my wax stick and I'm just basically laying down all the little flyaways for my natural hair. And I'm just separating my little baby hairs. I'm going to curl that with a pencil flat iron just so I can give that, lace frontal look on my natural hair. So a lot of people have been asking, like, how do I do my baby hairs on my natural hair? I just treat my natural hair like it's a wig. So I basically just curl my edges, and then I have bangs in the front, so I just curled that away from my head, and see that fallout. Hey guys, so this is the final look. It took me a few hours. I put on some makeup just so I could see like the overall look and how I truly feel about it. Here's a length check, hopefully. So it's basically to my bra strap. So if you guys can see, this is my natural hair. It's to my bra strap. I know I probably need a trim, but girl, I'll probably cut off maybe 2 inches when I'm ready to braid my hair back up. But yeah, I see a big difference using this I don't even know what to call it, the little texturizer, but it's like semi-permanent. It did not destroy my curls and it got super straight. You see the luster? I know it's not gonna poof up. My hair looks really good. This is my first time actually having my hair straight, and I'm able to wear it down, because usually I always had to put it up in like a ponytail because my hair would poof back up. But girl, you see this? I curled my bangs a little bit because the shortest part of my hair is in the front. So I try to cut it as short as I can and then have it grow longer. But yeah, overall, I highly recommend putting this on before straightening your natural hair, just so you have just so it could like last a lot longer than just completely straightening your hair without putting any of the perm or texturizer on it. So I'll definitely add this to my routine if I want to wear my hair naturally straight. But yeah, girl, let me know down below how you guys feel about it, or if you guys tried it before. And this is definitely an A+ in my book. And I want to thank you so much for tuning into another video. Thank you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you in my next video. I say video so many times, but yeah, you get the point. Bye.